was it a generously endowed program?
It was not. We were.
He was like, academia sucks.
We had to strike that from the.
Sorry.
It's tough. Again, we were one of the first research programs actually attempting to run clinical trials on a Schedule I drug that is defined as having no medical use and a high potential for abuse and lumped together with heroin.
Yeah.
Now, despite UCLA being a public university located in the state of California that had legalized medical cannabis in 1996, we had to abide by every single federal law. We had to ignore the state law.
Right.
The cannabis that we studied had to come from a farm in Mississippi that the federal government funds to grow cannabis. Very bizarre. And in terms of actual funding for the research, it was easier to get research to study the harms of cannabis.
Okay.
The US government has funds set aside and departments to fund that.
Yeah.
But for studying the medical usage, a lot of that had to come from philanthropy. And then now things are starting to shift where we were able to get some grants to study the medical usage, particularly for areas like chronic pain. And I think it's also probably in response to the opioid crisis that we've been seeing. And we see epidemiologic data that states that legalized cannabis tend to see lower rates of opioid overdoses.
So that was a huge part of the research
Correct.
that got those two things happen to.
Correct. That was a good tailwind, so to speak. Yeah.
In case anyone here is wondering